Bonjour, my name is David DeVere. I'm a wine educator and traveler, and you're watching Savvy Nomad TV, the O to V edition. This is episode 4 of travel journaling, fountain pens, Hobonichis, all that stuff. And I started this because I bought a new 5-year Hobonichi. I'm going to try to change up my travel journaling and daily journaling routine. I'm going to go with a large format, right in a small space, and I'm going to carry this around for the next 5 years, and I'm going to hopefully make it fit in this cover. Now, the Hobonichi 5-year comes with a whole bunch of or a few covers that you can get. There's a red one, there's a cloth one, there's a big expensive leather one made by a particular bag manufacturer. I'm not going to say them, but you can figure it out. Arts and Sciences sells that stuff. You have to apply for the lottery that's now open in Japan. Anyway, kind of complicated. I was looking for a nice leather cover similar to what I've been using. This is an Arts and Sciences leather cover that I've been using for the last 6 years for my yearly Hobonichis. The 5-year is going to be bigger. I needed something else. Searching online, I found the Ateliers Phileas company. They have leather covers in the A5 size. I emailed them. I said, do you think a 25 millimeter wide 5-year Hobonichi will fit? They said, nah, maybe. So I took a chance. And I'm making these series of videos really for this moment because nobody online has yet said this will work. So if you're here and you want to know if this will work, let's find out together, because all I've done is cut the FedEx box open. I really don't know. Now, this came from Belgium, from a company called the Nomad Store. A link in the description. I've paid for all this stuff with my own money. Nobody is sponsoring me, not Hobonichi, not Nomado, not Jet Pens, but they're all good places to get stuff from. All these fountain pens, I paid for all this stuff. It's a tiny YouTube channel. There's no sponsorship going on yet. Anyway, let's go to the top. Let's see if this takes this. Can this fit in here? Okay, let's find out. Fingers crossed. Moment of truth. Okay. This was so beautifully wrapped by the Ateliers Phileas company. I thought, you know what? It's so cool. Let's do an unboxing. Those are popular online, right? So here it is. Here's my leather cover. An atelier is a workshop or craft shop, or not a craft shop, but a crafting shop, a workshop for craftspeople. That's what it means in French. It's a hard word to say. Phileas is named after Phineas Fogg, or Phineas Fogg. He's the Around the World in 80 Days fellow. Okay, in the novel. So open this up, pull this out. Beautiful box. I love the fountain pen and ship look on the logo. Nice little thank you card. Dear David, thank you so much for taking Ateliers Phileas journey with us. That's very nice. Here's my shipping info and a sticker. And okay, a little thing. All right. Let's put that over here. Love that. Nice personal touch. As someone who supplies trips to people, I like the idea of that personal touch. It's beautiful. Okay, paper. Here's a nice bag. That's nice. Sarah's going to want that as a little travel pillow. Okay, open this up. Here we go. This is the the blue with the natural on the interior. Can you hear the leather? Oh yeah, love that crunch. So, does it smell good? Yeah, it smells like leather. It smells very nice. The color is true. The leather feels good. It's very supple. This is a nice strap. You know, it's a compromise trying to find something big enough to fit a large A5 journal. I like these little side pockets here. Okay, well, let's see if the journal fits. Oh boy. Get rid of this box. Okay, here's the journal. Everything comes in a box. It's got to be the iPhone effect. Everything needs a box. Love it. So many nice boxes out. Okay, so here it is. Whew, that's a chunk, man. These 5-year Hobonichis are a chunk, but isn't this going to be great if it fits? I'll put one side in. I don't think, yep, there's no end sheet there. One side. The Hobonichi 5-year comes kind of with a faux leather cover, I guess you could call it. It feels plasticky though. And if I'm going to spend 5 years with something, I want it to feel right. I've got a notion that things are tactile in the world. Okay, get that in there. All right, here it is. Ooh, ooh, it's chunky. It's chunky. Kind of massage that cover in. Does it fit? I think it does. Maybe a little bit of stretch here. There we go. That's better. It fits. I think it's going to wear in just fine. And that's pretty. God, the leather is super nice. Super duper nice. Okay. Now you're saying, well, what about the fountain pen? Where are you going to put that? Okay, there's a leather hoop here. Oh, and I bought a new fountain pen. You guys want to see it? Yes, says the crowd. Okay, hold on. I'm going to go get it. Okay, here it is. The fountain pen I bought for this 5-year Hobonichi. I really like my Kaweco sport pen. That has just been fantastic. I've had a few others, tried out a few others in the meantime, but the Kaweco has been so wonderful. But when new things start up, you should try them. You should try new things. So here it is. I went, despite what I said in my fountain pen review in the last episode, where the Y.Studio pen, which is this pen, here, I'm coming back, this pen, how it had that dripping issue. Still love the look, still love the pen, still think it's cool. So I went back to the Y.Studio shop and bought this pen to possibly complement the new Hobonichi for 5 years. So let's open this up and I'll show you. Can I get into the package? Goodness. Oh, here it is. Here's a seam right here at the top. You know, you think to yourself, This isn't going to be interesting. No one's going to watch this. I totally watch videos like this. So I'm making one. What the heck? Okay, put the Spyderco away before it cuts anybody. Here it is, the Y.Studio Classic Series pen. This pen was not cheap. Got it on Jet Pens. They had it in stock. It's the medium nib. Here it is. I think that's a pretty match. There's no clip on this pen. That is the issue. So, there it is. Also, it doesn't post. So you can't put that there, so you better not lose this end. The issue is, since there's no clip, how will it fit in my loop? And the answer is, I'd say pretty good. That fits nice. That looks like a nice combo. There's a certain amount of grip in there. These pens are brassed, so they will kind of, the paint is supposed to kind of bleed or kind of wear off as you use it. This needs a little bit of stretching. It's definitely at the edge of its abilities, but I think this is going to work out just fine. Whew! So, I'm ready to start. 2023, January 1st. Okay, 5 years. This is going to be great. I look forward to filling this out. Should mention that if you use this as a scrapbook, you are going to blow it up. It's going to get much too thick. You really can't paste anything in these Hobonichis. Otherwise, they will not keep their binding size, and they certainly won't fit in this beautiful leather cover. Oh, I am happy, happy, happy. I hope you've enjoyed this series. Whew. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this episode, or heck, if you just like the commentary. And links in the description to the Ateliers Phileas company, to the Nomado store, to the to Jet Pens, and to Y.Studio. Hope this pen writes as good as my Kaweco, because this is such a cool package. I really want this to work out. I'm going to make it work. Anyway, links in the description to all of that. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time for more wine, world, wit, and wisdom. Cheers.